Good day. On this video, we're going to measure a current using an analog multimeter. So, we're going to find the current of this 1.5 volts and the 3 resistors. So, the value of this 3 resistor is, this one resistor is 22 k ohms, and the second resistor is 5 k ohms, and the third resistor is 5 k ohms. So we're going to find the current. So this is our circuit diagram. So this is 1.5 volts. So R1 is 22 k ohms, R2 is 5 k ohms, R3 is 5 k ohms. Since this is a series connection, so we're going to add the 3 resistors to get the R total. So the R total is 32 k ohms. So R total 32 k ohms. Voltage source is 1.5 volts. IT, so the IT is missing. So the current is missing. So we're going to use the Ohm's law formula to get the current. So V is divided by R total. So voltage source divided by resistance total. So 1.5 volts divided by 32 k ohms. So equals to 4.6875 milliampere or 0.000046875 amperes. So before we going to measure the current in the analog multimeter, so we're going to select the selector range that we're going to use. So this is the selector range that we're going to use, DCA or direct current ampere. So there are 4 options that we're going to use. So this is 50 microamperes, 2.5 milliamperes, 25 milliamperes, and 0.25 amperes. So we're going to select 50 microamperes. As you can see, microamperes. So measuring in the current. So this side is 0. So we're going to make 1, the 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after going select the 50 microamperes, so going to measure the resistor and the volts to find the current. So the point of this resistor is at point attached to the positive of battery, and this negative probes attached to the negative of the battery, and this positive probe attached to the point of the resistor. So as you can see, the pointer pointed to the, this is 40, so we're going to make 4, so 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6. So the pointer pointed to 4.6. So the value of our 1.5 volts and 32 k ohms, so the current is 4.6 milliamperes.